In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish product on Gumroad. By the end, you'll have a polished product page ready to share and sell, and you'll know exactly which fields matter and why they help customers decide to buy. First, head to your Gumroad dashboard. From the main dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and open the Products section. This is your hub for everything you offer. Existing listings live here, and it's where you'll start new ones. Click New Product to begin creating a fresh listing. You'll land on a simple setup screen. Give your product a clear, memorable name that instantly tells buyers what they're getting. Next, select Digital Product, which is ideal for files, downloads, or access-based offers delivered online. Now, set your price. Choose a number that reflects your value and the depth of what you're providing. Right beside that, pick the currency your customers will pay in, then click Next. Customize to continue. On the customization page, craft your product description. Lead with the outcome your buyer will get, then list what's included and any important details like format or use cases. Keep it concise but specific so shoppers feel confident. Below that, set your product URL. This becomes part of the link you share, so keep it short, readable, and aligned with your product's name. Add a strong cover image that looks great full width. It's the hero visual on your page. Then upload a thumbnail that stays clear at smaller sizes. It often appears in listings and previews, so make it bold and legible. Next, review the product info section. This area helps present your offer cleanly. Make sure the essentials look right so customers can quickly scan and understand what you sell. Move to the Content tab. This is where you'll manage what customers receive after purchase and how it's delivered. It keeps everything organized and ensures buyers get access smoothly. Then switch to the Receipt tab. Customize the message customers see after they pay. Use it to reinforce what they've purchased and set expectations for delivery or next steps. When everything looks good, click Publish and Continue. Your product goes live and you'll be able to preview the page, share the link, and monitor performance from your dashboard. That's it, you've published a product on Gumroad. Keep refining your description and visuals over time, and you'll see how small improvements can boost clarity and conversions. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.